सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Page 85, 19th श्लोक। बोधेऽप्यनुभवो यस्य न कथञ्चन जायते तं कथं बोधयेच्छास्त्रम् लोष्टं नरसमाकृतिम्। Various features of Brahman has been introduced by Vidyaranya based on Taittiriya Upanishad. First feature, he said, Panchakosha Vilakshanam Brahma. First feature of Brahman is that which is different from the 5 layers of body. Panchakosha means 5 layers. Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnanamaya, Anandamaya koshas. Pancha. Pancha means 5. Vilakshana means different. This is the first feature. Second feature, he said, Antarnihitatvam. Panchakosha antaha nihitaha. Yo veda nihitam guhayam. So, Brahman is that which is within, obtaining in the body are Panchakoshas. Brahman is obtained in Panchakoshas available within the 5 koshas. This is the second feature he has given. Later, third feature he is pointing out, Brahman is in the form of Atma. Atma Rupena. In one's own, the self is Brahman. In the form of one's own self. Brahman, you need not search outside. Brahman happens to be your own nature, that is yourself. That he is establishing now. How one can miss this Brahman, which is his own nature? How one can miss oneself? He can miss anything in the world. We all can miss so many things in the world. The Brahman happens to be myself, I the Atma. How can I work for Brahma Jnanam? How can I work or struggle to attain Brahman, to know Brahman? Struggle is really a funny. No? You need not struggle at all. Shastra says, you recognize, you understand your nature. That is your job you have to do. It is very, very close. Not even close, you are that. Is it proximate or myself? It's myself. When we say myself, I have to know that Atma nature, 4 points we have to remember. I the Atma, I am not the part of the body, property of the body, or product of the body. PPP, past passive participle madri. I am not the product, part, property of the body. Whenever I say I am the self Brahman means that part, product, property, body ki vilakshanam aham ani gnapakam vechukonu. I, the Atma, I am independent entity. Independent of the body, I exist. Body exists within time, particular time it is born, particular time it disappears. But I am not born, I, the consciousness, was there before the arrival of the body. I was there before arrival of the body. At the time of body, when the body disappears also I am there. I will be there. So I am the independent entity. And pervades the entire body. I pervade in the form of sentiency. I am pervading in the body in the form of sentiency. And I enlivens the body, which is inert body. Since I am sentient, I lend sentiency to the inert body. I lend sentiency to the inert body. In Kathopanishad, we saw when Ratha is coming, you infer there is a alive Ratha Sarathi. Ratha Adhishtata who is sitting in that chariot. Without that, how Ratham can come? Those days, Yamadharmaraja used the example of Ratham. Nowadays, you have to take what? Car. How car can come without that alive, sentient principle? Similarly, the body car, okay, or body chariot. This body chariot is inert. How it is moving from Tambaram to here, or Ayanavaram to here, or T Nagar to here, or Mandavalli to here, how it can come? Who is making this Ratham body to come to the Mylapore club class? We are totally ignoring Pava and Atma, Chaitanyam Brahma, helping the body to move from one place to other. How can you doubt such a Chaitanyam? So, I am enlivening the body and I survive even after the fall of the body. I survive, even you break the bulb, electricity survive or not? You break the bulb, electricity survive or not? Are you breaking electricity or bulb? If you break the pot, you are breaking the clay or pot? Pot. Can you break the clay? Clay continues. You are so happy, no? Like that you have to say now. Even after the fall of the body, I, the consciousness, survives, but I am not available for transaction. If bulb is gone, I, the electricity, cannot manifest. Electricity is saying, without bulb I cannot manifest as a light. Similarly, without a body bulb, body tube light, without a body, gross body, subtle body, tube light. Subtle body is what? Filament. Gross body is what? Gross body is bulb. So, I, the consciousness who is like electricity, survives, but I am not available for transaction. I cannot manifest. Just as electricity will never disappear, Even bulb goes, it continues. Similarly, I, the consciousness, I am survive even after the fall of the body, but I am not available for transaction. Imperceptibility is not the criteria for non-existence. Imperceptibility of electricity, when bulb is gone, imperceptibility of electricity is not the criteria for the non-existence of the electricity. புரியுறதோ? எல்லா வேர்ட்ஸ் ஜெக்லரி. Imperceptibility of the electricity is not the criteria for the non-existence of electricity. அதே மாதிரி after the fall of the body, imperceptibility, non-availability of consciousness is not the criterion for the non-existence of consciousness. Are you enjoying? Okay, very good. Then after understanding this much, again student is asking, suppose, how to experience that Atma? How to experience? That's what I am telling. You cannot experience that Atma. That Atma happens to be yourself. How can you experience? Really speaking, you need not experience. Because you are self-evident. Swayam Jyotihi. Awareness. As awareness, I am always evident to myself. I need not have any proof to have that I am existent. Adukku enna proof venum? Proof is not necessary. If you want proof and you want to know that Atma, Shastra also cannot teach to such a person. Why? He is like a mud, clay in a human form. Who says? Vidyaranya is telling. Bodhe api anubhavaha yasya bodhe api anubhavaha. Everyone is having that experience. What? Bodha. I am consciousness. Every being is alive. We are all alive. We are all alive beings. Alive means what? Conscious being. I am a conscious being. Alive being in the sense I am conscious of everything, therefore I am alive. In this, are you having any doubt? All of us are alive or not? We are all alive. We are aware of that we are alive. Are you aware of that you are alive? Are you aware of my words now? Are you aware of my words? Are you understanding my words? You can aware of my words, you are understanding my words means you are alive. You are understanding means you are conscious of my words. As you are aware of my words, because you are alive, you are an alive being. Alive being is that which is a conscious being. Alive being is called conscious being because it is conscious of everything. Important point. Since I am alive, therefore I am conscious of everything. I am understanding everything. Since I am conscious of everything, I am understanding everything, I must be what? I must be a conscious being. I must be a conscious being. Without consciousness, I cannot be a conscious of anything in the world. That itself proves what? Bodhaha anubhavaha astiva nava. Bodhaha means what? Jnanam. Chaitanyam. Awareness. Bodhaha means here awareness. Anubhavaha, that experience you are having or not now, I am conscious of. Anubhavaha asti va nava? Asti. Yasya bodha anubhavaha asti, but still he is na kathanchana jayate. In spite of this much explanation, na kathanchana jayate, he is not knowing at all and waiting for that. I want to know that Brahman. Brahman happens to be Satyam, Gnanam, Anantam, existent consciousness principle. Brahman, Taittiriya Upanishad says what? Brahman is existence, Satyam, Jnanam, consciousness, Anantam, infinite principle. Now, where is this Satyam and Jnanam? You are the Satyam, you are the Jnanam. How do you know? You say, I am, நான் இருக்கேன். அந்த இருப்புதல் தான் எக்ஸிஸ்டன்ஸ். இப்போ நான் இருக்கேன்னு சொல்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி யார் இருக்கணும்? நான் இருக்கேன்னு சொல்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஐ எக்ஸிஸ்ட் டு சே ஐ மஸ்ட் பி கான்ஷியஸ் பீயிங். To say I am, I must be conscious. I must be a conscious being to say I exist. So existence presupposes what? Consciousness. To be conscious of, I must exist. An existent thing aware of something or non-existent thing is aware of something. Existent thing alone can be conscious. Consciousness, conscious being alone can know that it exists. Abba, இந்த ரெண்டு வேர்டு புரிஞ்சா வேதாந்தமே ஓவர். To say I exist, I must be a conscious being. To be conscious of, I must exist. To say I exist, I must be conscious of. I am conscious of. To say I am conscious of, I must exist. Adha Satyam Jnanam. Ipo Satyam Jnanam the Brahman. Liya. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. Upanishad says, Satyam is Brahman, Jnanam is Brahman. Satyam means existence, Jnanam means consciousness. Since I am existent principle, since I am consciousness principle, that Brahman must be who? I myself. ఇది కూడా పురియలన్నా తం కథం బోధయేత్ శాస్త్రం. How can Shastra teach him to such a mannam katti, made out of clay, that person, loshtham narasamakritim. That person is like a, not my students. Our Papa Vidyaranyar சொல்றார், my students are all like gems. So sometimes teachers prarabdha. ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் லைக் தட் கிளே மாதிரி வந்து உட்காருவான். அது தலை கூட ஆடாது, அசையாது. என்ன கிளேகரா? கிளே என்னன்னா நத்திங் ஹேப்பன்ஸ் ஹியர். அதான் கிளேக்குள்ள ஒன்றுமே நடக்காது. நோ எமோஷன்ஸ், நோ எக்ஸ்பிரஷன்ஸ், நத்திங் வில் ஹேப்பன். புரியறதா புரியலையா என்ன விஷயமே தெரியாது. ஒன்ஸ் இன் ஏ வைல் ஆல்சோ அட்லீஸ்ட் ஆஹா. அதுக்கு தான் தமிழில் ஒன்று சொல்லுவா, எறும்பு மாடு மாதிரி. அந்த எறும்பு மாடு அப்படியே ரோட்டில் உட்கார்ந்து நல்லா மழை பெஞ்சுட்டே இருந்தாலும் கூட அப்படியே இருக்கும், ஆடாமல் அசையாமல். நரசமாக்கிருதிம் லோஷ்டம். இட் இஸ் a clay which is in that human form, a doll, clay doll. It is a clay doll. That person is like a clay doll. To such a person, Even Shastra cannot teach him how any teacher can teach to that person. Thank God, I am escaped from such a student. Next, up to here we saw in the last class. Next, 20th shloka. Jimhamesti na vetyuktihi lajjayai kevalam yatha na buddhyate maya bodhaha bodhavyam iti tadrushi bodhavya iti tadrushi bodhavya only bodhavyaha visarga dropped because of sandhi rule. Me jimha astiva nava, do I have a tongue or not? If anybody says, and the second line is polam. Second line is what? Maya bodhaha na buddhyate. I am not able to know that Brahman. I am not able to know that Brahman which is of the nature of consciousness principle. Chaitanyam. Bodhaha means buddh, to know. It is of the nature of knowledge. Jnanam. Jnanam is equal to bodhaha, or bodhaha is equal to jnanam is equal to chaitanyam is equal to consciousness is equal to Brahman. எவ்வளோ நீளமாக இருக்கு பாருங்க சினனிம்ஸ். போதஹா is equal to ஞானம் is equal to chaitanyam is equal to Brahman. Therefore, bodhaha na buddhyate maya. Passive voice. Consciousness is not known by me. Bodhaha is equal to jnanam is equal to consciousness is equal to Brahman is equal to is equal to சொல்லிட்டே போயிட்டேன். எப்படி? This person says bodhaha maya na buddhyate. Passive voice says consciousness is not known by me. Therefore what? Bodhavyaha. I want to know the consciousness. If you put in an active voice, I have not experienced consciousness. Consciousness is not experienced by me. Any passive voice lo chonna, active voice lo eppudu sollanu? I have not experienced consciousness. Since I have not, who says that loshtam? Okay, that narasamakritihi manushyaha says, I have not experienced the consciousness, therefore what? I am waiting for the experience of consciousness. Bodhavyaha. I want to know the consciousness. Suppose anybody says like this. Suppose anybody says like this. What? Consciousness is not experienced by me, or I have not experienced consciousness. Therefore, I want to experience consciousness. This is within inverted commas. Second line, na buddhyate maya bodhaha bodhavyaha, within inverted commas. Iti. Thus, tadrishi, such a statement is like what statement, above example he gives. It is like saying, do I have tongue or not? One person is asking. Second line, I have not experienced consciousness, therefore I want to experience consciousness. It is like saying a person verbally, do I have a tongue or not? Patrimandram is asking people. Some people say you don't have. Therefore you have to find out whether you have tongue or not, and some people say. Do I have tongue or not? How can you ask that? That asking, do I have tongue or not, presupposes you must have tongue. Otherwise, how can you ask that? The person who is asking, do I have tongue, to ask that, he must have tongue. Without tongue, you cannot ask. Lajjayai. Asking, do I have tongue? It is shame to ask like that. Lajjayai kevalam yatha. Yatha me jimha astiva nava ve anna va. Nave nava iti veti. Ve iti vet vuktihi. Such a utterance. Vuktihi means asking like that. In language, what they say? Mother tongue nu solluva parunga. To speak a language, what is your mother tongue? And the tongue and mother tongue my mother tongue is within my mother anu solrama. What is your mother tongue? My mother tongue is with me, I do not know anu solrele. Hey, mother tongue language. Tongue is that which always speaks one language or other. That's why they use the word tongue. Do I have tongue or not means it is shame to ask such a question. To ask such a question itself proves what? That you have tongue. You are asking such a question proves that you have tongue already. When you are keeping already tongue and asking, do I have tongue? Eppadi irukke? Don't you feel shame to ask like that? Like that, yatha tatha nar. Just as it is shame if a person asks, do I have a tongue or not? It is like that asking, I do not experience consciousness, therefore I want to experience. Who is asking, I do not experience consciousness, I want to experience? The one who is asking is consciousness. To ask that question, you must be consciousness. Without being consciousness, you cannot ask such a question. Tadrushi, like that. Okay. Your question asking, I want to experience consciousness because I don't have consciousness experience. எப்படி என்ன எனக்கு டங் இருக்கா இல்லையா சொல்லுங்கோன்னு கேட்ட மாதிரி தான். Tadrishi. Same like that. It is shame to ask that I don't have a consciousness experience. I want to Brahma Anubhava. All yoga people, samadhi people sitting in samadhi, I want to experience Atma consciousness. The one who is sitting for experience of consciousness is consciousness. Vadigattina முட்டாள்னா இவன்தான், வேற யாருமே இல்லை என்ன. That is why jimhame asti nava iti vuktihi lajjayai kevalam. Just sheer shame to talk like that. ரொம்ப கேவலமான ஒரு கேள்வி அது. அதே மாதிரி தான் எனக்கு பிரம்மன் தெரியல, நான் பிரம்மன் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். Because Brahman is non-separate. God is non-separate from Brahman. If anybody says, I do not know God, I want to know God, I want to see God, adhe kadai. If anyone says, I do not know who is God, where is God, I did not experience God until now, I want to experience God, enna artham theriyumo? Idhe kadai. I have no Brahman experience, I want to know Brahman. Same way, I have no experience of God, I want to experience God. And it is like that person. I don't have tongue, do I have tongue? Please tell me. What Vidyaranya want to convey? You are the consciousness, you need not experience consciousness. Consciousness happens to be Brahman. Therefore, I have to understand now what? Consciousness is Brahman. Brahman happens to be Atma. I am Atma, the consciousness. I am Brahman. First point. After that, 4 points you have to supply. I am not the part of the I, the Brahman. I am not the part of the body, property of the body, product of the body. I, the Brahman, consciousness, principle, Atma, enlivens the body. I, the consciousness, Atma, Brahman principle, independently existent of body. I, the consciousness, Brahman, Atma, I am enlivening the Jada Shariram, inert body. I, the consciousness, Atma, Brahman, I am not available after the body's death. I survive. Then I claim I am Brahman. இதெல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சாதான் ஐ ஆம் பிரம்மன்னு கிளைம் பண்ண முடியும். புரியறத நினைக்கிறேன். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. யஸ்மின் யஸ்மின் அஸ்தி லோகே बोधस्तत्तदुपेक्षणे यद्बोधमात्रं तद्ब्रह्मेति एवं धी ब्रह्मनिश्चयः. Now how to claim that I am Brahman, the consciousness, existent principle, is the Atma. How? Very nice way of presentation. Very simple, Vidyaranya says. Very simple. Yasmin yasmin loke bodhaha asti tatu tatu upekshane. Yasmin yasmin vishaye, upon what are all objects, you have a knowledge. Regarding what are all objects, you have knowledge. What is that? Flower, pot, clip, pushpajnanam, ghatajnanam, clipajnanam. Bodhaha. Yasmin yasmin. What are all objects upon which you have knowledge? Jnanam. Jnanam irukka illaya? When I show this pushpajnanam, you have got tasmin tasmin upekshane. அந்தந்த பொருள் உபேக்ஷணேன இக்னோர். அந்தந்த பொருள் இக்னோர். உபேக்ஷா மீன்ஸ் ignoring. Ignore that object. Bodhaha means objective knowledge. In every objective knowledge. Yasmin yasmin loke bodhaha asti. Upon what are all object in the world, people have that knowledge. Jnanam, bodhe, objective knowledge is there. Tasmin tasmin, andanda porul ignore panna. Ghata jnanam, right? Ghata jnanam, pot knowledge. Pushpa jnanam, flower knowledge. Clip jnanam, clip knowledge. What is common in three of them? Jnana. Yasmin yasmin means what are all objects. Objects are what here? Ghatam, pot, clip, flower. Objects are clip, pot and flower. I am taking only 3 examples. Yasmin yasmin bodha. Upon what are all objects you have knowledge. Tasmin upeksha. Just ignore the ghata, ignore the flower, ignore the clip. What is there? Jnanam. Jnanam is there. That is called pure knowledge. Shuddha Chaitanyam. Shuddha Jnanam. Once I remove. This is Vishishta Jnanam. Ghata Jnanam is called Vishishta Jnanam. Vishishta Jnanam means in which Jnanam the object is included is called Vishishta Jnanam. Jnanam is non-separate from Chaitanyam. Chit. Chit means Jnanam. Chaitanya Vastu alone can have Jnanam. A Jada Vastu cannot have Jnanam. So, that consciousness, Chetanam, you remove the object, consciousness remains. Consciousness remains. Similarly, every thought, flower thought, house thought, in thought, every thought, two things are there. In every thought, there are two components. House thought is equal to house plus consciousness. Thought, you are conscious of house, that is why house thought. Fan thought, fan plus consciousness. Woman thought, woman plus consciousness. Thought conscious, woman thought plus consciousness. Flower thought plus consciousness. Okay. And the flower, fan, house, woman, you remove. What remains? Consciousness remains. So what is invariable? That is Upahita Chaitanyam. Upahita Chaitanyam. Upadhi Sahita Jnanam is Vishishta Chaitanyam. Included, object included Jnanam is Vishishta Chaitanyam. Ghata Jnanam, object included Chaitanyam, is called Visishta Chaitanyam. Now what I am doing, these are all objects. I am focusing only on consciousness now. I am focusing only on consciousness. And the Kata Jnanam, Pata Jnanam, Klip Jnanam, House Jnanam, Woman Jnanam, Marindirikradalla, I keep aside. Maramal invariably one irukku. Variables, in all variables, one is invariable. Maramal one vandinde irukku. Adenna Jnanam, 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 Jnanam. And the Jnanam marpu kedaiyadhu. Endha Jnanam annadhu marpu irukku. And the Jnanam, 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 consciousness, consciousness, conscious of. The same thing is called Upahita Chaitanya. Once I exclude the object intellectually I exclude. Then that is called Upahita Chaitanya. That is the first line. He says, Yasmin bodhaha loke asti tasmin or asti tad upekshane. Tad means what? Tad object. That object. Tat means tad upekshane means that object you ignore. What happens? Yat bodha matram tat brahma. Bodha matram means jnana matram. Buddh means to know. Jna means to know. Dhatus are same. Buddh to know, jna to know. So that is jnanam or bodha chaitanyam brahma. Bodha matram. In the flower thought plus consciousness. Flower thought and anartha. Flower thought means flower jnanam. Endinda thought ellam enna kudukiradhu? Jnanam kudukiradhu. Illaya? Pushpa vritti gives what? Pushpa jnanam. Ghata vritti gives what? Vritti enna? Pot thought in English. Ghata vritti in Sanskrit. Flower thought is in English. Pushpa vritti is in Sanskrit. Avladhaan. Pushpa vritti or flower thought. இந்த ஃப்ளவர் தாட் வந்த உடனே என்ன வந்தது? இப்போ உங்களுக்கு ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஃப்ளவர் ஞானம் வரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி ஃப்ளவர் தாட் வரணுமா வர வேண்டாமா? அதெல்லாம் படித்து முடிச்சுன ஸ்டடி. ஓகே, ஃப்ளவர் தாட் வரணும். அந்த ஃப்ளவர் தாட்டில் ஞானம் இருக்கா இல்லையா? ஃப்ளவர் ஞானம் இருக்கா இல்லையா? இந்த ஃப்ளவர் யூ டேக் அவுட் போத மாத்திரம் ஆர் ஞான மாத்திரம் அவசிஷ்யதே. யத் போதமாத்திரம், வாட் எவர் இஸ் தேர் இன்வேரியபிளி without changing, whatever is changing savikaram sagunam mithya, என்ன அபராபிரகிருதி ஜடம். whereas this gnanam 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 pushpam gnanam ghata gnanam, ghata is jadam, pushpam is jadam, house is jadam, woman is also jadam, body is jadam, gnanam is chaitanyam. बोधमात्रम एव ब्रह्म इति दस इति एवं धीहि, this knowledge is called Brahmanischayah. This alone is called firm knowledge of Brahman. This understanding alone is firm knowledge in your intellect. Dhi henna jnanam. Dhi Brahmanischayah, clear Brahma jnanam is this only. இது கூட சந்தேகமா இருந்தான்னா ஆல் த பெஸ்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் பர்த், ஆல் த பெஸ்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் பர்த். நெக்ஸ்ட் மந்த்ரா பஞ்சகோஷ பரித்யாகே साक्षिबोधावशेषतः स्वस्वरूपं स एव स्यात् शून्यत्वं तस्य दुर्घटम्. In the previous shloka, first line la badha is there, printing la mistake. You put on the ba, you put a horn. Horn anna theriyuma kombu. Or kombu potta bodha aidum. Badha is the wrong printing. It is a bodha. Previous shloka 21 lo first line bodha. I read bodha but I didn't tell you. It is, you have to correct it. அதே மாதிரி செகண்ட் லைன்ல 21 சேம் ஸ்லோகாலோ யத் போத மாத்திரம், த்ரம் மேல புள்ளி, அங்கே ஒரு டாட் வேணும். அதுக்கு தான் டீச்சர். நீங்கள் பாட்டுக்கு நீங்கள் புஸ்தகம் படிச்சுன்னா மாத்திரா மாத்திரா என்னமோ டேப்லெட்னு படிப்போம். அங்கே பாதா பாதா அப்படியே இருக்கும், பாதா இருக்கும். புரியுறதா? ஓகே. ஸோ now he says, why see I am Brahman? Because you are telling pushpa gnanam, pata gnanam, ghata gnanam, manusha gnanam, house gnanam, fan gnanam, light gnanam. Idella you remove the object, gnanam remains, that you are telling. This is very enough for me, this knowledge. Why you are talking pancha kosha viveka? Why I have to do pancha kosha vivekam? Why I have to study this discriminative knowledge of 5 koshas? Idi tevaya ani suppose anybody asks. By saying the previous line, bodha matram, yasmin yasmin bodhe tat upekshane bodhaha brahma aham asmi gnanam is available. You are not annamaya kosha, you are not pranamaya kosha, you are not manomaya kosha. Idella periya list ella edukkaha? Why pancha koshas study? இல்லையா? ப்ரீவியஸ் ஸ்லோகாவே போதுமே. Suppose if anybody asks like that, Vidyaranya says, no, Panchakosha Viveka is very, very important. Panchakosha Viveka is very important. Panchakosha Parityage. You have to get Panchakoshas. What are all Panchakoshas? First you should know. Then after knowing all of them, one kosha, I am not this, I am not this, I am not this, I am not this, you have to say. Prakshalanadhi pankasya durad asparshanam varam mani in our kelvi. Why I have to put leg in that dirt and why I have to wash? Panchakosham purinchuko, apparam vidu anna. எதுக்காக பஞ்சகோஷம் புரிஞ்சுக்கணும், எதுக்காக விடணும்? எப்படியாவது விட போகிறோம், அதுக்காக எதுக்கு புரிஞ்சுக்கணும்? கேள்வி வருமா வராதா? ஐ எம் நாட் பிராணமய கோஷா, மனோமய கோஷா, விஜானமய கோஷா. அசలు எதுக்காக இந்த எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன் எல்லாம்? எனிஹவ் ஐ ஹாவ் டு ட்ராப் தெம். வை ஐ ஹாவ் டு ஸ்டடி? ஐ எம் பஞ்சகோஷ விலக்ஷணான. பிகாஸ் யூ ஆர் அட்டாச்ட் டு பஞ்சகோஷா. Because you are attached to Panchakosha, therefore you have to know what are Panchakoshas, you have to negate them. Panchakosha Parityage. உனக்கு தேக அபிமானம் இருக்கா, பிராண அபிமானம் இருக்கா, மன அபிமானம் இருக்கு. இந்த அபிமானம் எல்லாம் இருக்கும்போது மன அபிமானம் விடணுமா வேண்டாமா? விடணும். Therefore Panchakosha Parityage. What will happen? Negate everything, negate. Finally, the negator you arrive at. Panchakosha negation is not for the sake of Panchakosha. Panchakosha negation is to recognize the negator of Panchakosha. Everybody, are you enjoying? இப்படியெல்லாம் கேட்டு எஸ்ன்னு சொல்லி வச்சுக்கிறேன். Okay. Panchakosha negation is not to know what are the Panchakoshas. There is no tatparyam in knowing Panchakoshas. The knowledge of Panchakoshas, negation of Panchakoshas, to claim that negator of Panchakoshas is Sakshi Chaitanyam Ahamasmi. Everybody? The negation of Panchakoshas is not for the purpose of Panchakoshas' sake. Knowing the Panchakoshas, I am not going to get any benefit. But knowing Panchakoshas, negating Panchakoshas to discover that negator of Panchakoshas. Who is the negator? I, Sakshi Chaitanyam Brahma, I am the negator of that Panchakoshas. I am not interested in Panchakoshas. I am not interested in Panchakoshas, their what are all their features. I am not interested. அதுலேருந்து விலட்சணமாக இருக்கான்னு எவர் இருக்கானோ விதின் அவர் இதெல்லாம் நெகேட் பண்ணுறானே அவனை புரிஞ்சிட்டு அவர் நான் தானே புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கா. Who is that? Sakshi Bodha Avaseshataha, the witness consciousness principle. Who is the witnesser of Annamaya Shariram? I am the witnesser. I am the conscious principle witnesser of the Sthula Shariram. I am the consciousness witnessing principle of Pranamaya Kosha. I am the consciousness witnessing principle of Manomaya Kosha. I am the consciousness witnessing principle of Vijnanamaya Kosha. I am the consciousness witnessing principle of Anandamaya Kosha. Therefore, I am what? Sakshi. Witness and Sakshi. Bodha means consciousness. Sakshi. Bodha. Avisheshataha. Remainder. Avisheshataha means unnegatable adhishtanam. Negator cannot be negatable. Negator cannot be negatable. அது நான் இல்லை என்ன அப்போ என்ன இருக்கப்பா? ஒன்றுமே இல்லை இப்போ சுவாமினி சூன்யந்தான் இருக்கேன்னா. அதான் நான் செகண்ட் லைனில் Vidyaranya refuting that Shunyavadi. See, Panchakosha I am not, Pranamaya Kosha I am not, Manomaya Kosha I am not. That means what? I am not physical body, I am not vital body, I am not mind, I am not the intellect, I am not even Ananda also. Then what am I? I am empty. Negating everything. After negating everything, what is there? And nothing is there. Don't say like that. Negator of everything is there. Negator is there. That's an example. You enter the hall. யாருமே இல்லை என்ன ஹாலில். ஃபஸ்ட்டு யூ ஹாவ் கம் early டுடே. எப்பவுமே லேட்டாக வருவேன், இன்னைக்கு ஏதோ பஸ் சீக்கிரமாக கிளாஸுக்கு வந்த உடனே யாருமே இல்லை என்ன. நோபடி இஸ் தேர். இஸ் நோபடி இஸ் தேர் ஆர் சம்படி இஸ் தேர்? அதர் தேன் மீ நோபடி இஸ் தேர். அப்படி தானே சொல்லணும். பட் வாட் வி சே? பெரிய இன்டெலிஜென்ட் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட். நோபடி இஸ் தேர். when you are searching in the bag, இது புது எக்ஸாம்பிள் இப்போதான் வருது மனசுக்குள்ள. பேக்ல கை வச்சுட்டு ஒண்ணுமே இல்லை பேக்ல ஒண்ணுமே இல்லைன்னா, ஒண்ணுமே இல்லையா? உங்க கை இருக்கு உள்ள பேக்ல, ஒண்ணுமே இல்லைன்னு தெரியறதுக்கு அதர் தேன் மை ஹேண்ட் நத்திங் இஸ் தேர் இன் த பேக். இது புது எக்ஸாம்பிள் வருது ஆஃப்டர் சோ மெனி இயர்ஸ். நல்லா இருக்க எக்ஸாம்பிள். என்ன லேடிஸ் எல்லாம் ஹேண்ட் பேக்கில் இதுதான் பண்ணுவோம். சர்ச் பண்ணி ஒன்றுமே இல்லையே காணுமே பேக்கில் அண்ணா, ஒன்றுமே இல்லையண்ணா. ஒன்றுமே இல்லைன்னு சொல்லாதே, அந்த ஒன்றுமே இல்லைன்னு சொல்கிறதுக்கு யாரோ ஒருத்தர் இருக்கணும். எக்ஸப்ட் மை ஹேண்ட். அதே மாதிரி டு சே ஐ எம் நாட் தீஸ் 5 bodies, ஐ மஸ்ட் பி தேர். இஸ் சூன்யம்? Is it shunyam? Is empty? No. So, swaswarupam saha eva syat. Saha brahma sakshi bodhaha brahma saha swaswarupam eva. Your own nature. Your own nature means you are taking 80 kgs weight of body. Ahankara, mind. Adu eduthanna out. You should not take that. What you have to take? Upahita Chaitanyam. Excluding Annamaya, excluding the body, mind, complex, everything. How you exclude? How you exclude? Enna panna mudiyum exclude pandradhukku? What you have to do to exclude? You need not do anything. There is no doing. Meditation பண்ணலாமா சுவாமின்னா? Nothing doing. It's called nothing doing. Then what? Knowing. Knowing only. There is no doing. That is why Jnana Kanda is only knowing. Karma Kanda is what? Doing. It is Kartru Tantram. Doing ki yaar venum? Karta venum. Kartru Tantram. Jnanam is not Karta Tantram, it is Vastu Tantram. Jnanam means Atma Chaitanyam. I am. Job is over. Bodhaha, Jnanam, consciousness, witness, Sakshi, Chaitanyam. இதெல்லாம் யாருக்கு நேம் தெரியுமோ? ஓசி or ஆர்சி? ஓசி. Therefore, now what proof you require to know the consciousness? Do you require a proof? Do you require any evidence? You are, because of whose presence everything is evident. Tameva bham tamanubhati sarvam tasya bhasa sarvamidam vibhati. இங்கே கைவல்யோபனிஷத், முண்டகோபனிஷத், கட்டோபனிஷத். ஓகே. பஞ்சகோஷ பரித்யாகே. By negating all koshas, I can claim I am the negator, the witnesser of I, the negator, remain. Avisheshataha adhishtanam. Who is that? Swaswarupam. Swaswarupa means my own nature. The negator, consciousness I am, is negatable or unnegatable? I am negating 5 koshas. Suppose 5 koshas negates me. அப்படி வச்சுக்கலாமே. நீ மாத்திரம் என் பெருசு நானும் பெருசுன்னு சொல்லி 5 koshas come and negate me, the negator. Is it possible? Why they cannot negate? They are jadam. Very good. 100 marks. They are all jadam. They cannot negate. Negator is consciousness principle. What are all negated? They are all insentient principles. So, the negator, I, the consciousness, am ever evident. You want to still have deha identity? In spite of listening this much, you want to say you are body? If you say you are body, mind, you have to say what? I have consciousness. If you claim you are the body, mind complex, you have to say I have consciousness. If you say I am consciousness principle, you have to say what? I have the body, mind. என்ன சொல்ல போறீங்களோ உங்க இஷ்டம். I have consciousness, I am the body, mind ன்னு சொல்லுவேல. இல்லைன்னா I am consciousness, I have the body, mind complex ன்னு சொல்றீல. Ball is in your court. புரியுறதா? Whole world is telling what? All people are, ignorant people are telling what? They are taking themselves as Yushmad Asmat Pratyaya Gochara Yoho Vishaya Vishayinoho Tamah Prakashavat Anyonya Adhyasa. Instead of taking themselves as consciousness, they are taking themselves as a body-mind complex. Now you know what is the cause for suffering in the life? மூடு மாறிண்டே இருக்கும், மனசுக்குள்ள மாறிண்டே இருக்கும். அது மனசு is having umpteen problems. You can never make a mind perfect. It is moody because mano devata chandrama moon is moody. மூடி என்ன தமிழ் மூடி கிடையாது, ஓகே, இங்கிலீஷ் மூடி. அதனால டோன்ட் பாதர் அபவுட் த மைண்டுக்குள்ள ஏதோ ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்க, மனசுக்குள்ள ஒரே கவலையா இருக்க, அப்படிதான் இருக்கும். யூ ஆர் த விட்னஸர் ஆஃப் விச் மைண்ட்? கவலை இருக்கிற மைண்டு, கவலை இல்லாத மைண்டு. அதனால தாட் இருக்கும் போதும் இல்லாத போதும் ஐ எம் த விட்னஸர் ஆஃப் த பிரசன்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஃப்ளவர் தாட், ஐ எம் த விட்னஸர் ஆஃப் pot thought, I am witnesser of every object, I am the witnesser of absence of thought also. My dependence, my existence is depending upon presence of thought or absence of thought? Neither. But flower is depending upon flower thought, clip is depending upon clip thought, but I, the consciousness, am not depending upon either presence of thought or absence of thought. On the other hand, I am enlivening the presence of thought and absence of thought. I am the enlivening principle who is conscious of there is a thought, there is no thought. Jagrat swapna sushuptishu sputatara ya samvid vijrummate. In waking state, I am there in the form of waker. In dream state also I am there in the form of dreamer. In sleep state also I am there in the form of sleeper without thoughts. In dream and waking state with thought. In Jagrata Avastha and Sapna Avastha I am a Visishta Chaitanyam. In Sushupti I am a Upahita Chaitanyam. So Vishishta Chaitamu Naneda, Upahita Chaitanyamu Naneda. Chaitanyamu Naneda. Naneda Chaitanyam. இப்படிப்பட்ட நாலேஜ் இல்லாமல் லைஃப் இஸ் எ லைஃப்? இஸ் இட் எ லைஃப் வித்தவுட் திஸ் நாலேஜ்? நவ் ஹவு மச் யூ ஹாவ் டு ஃபீல் How much gratitude you have to show to the Lord for giving this opportunity to study Panchadashi. எத்தனை நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணணும்? கோடி 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 நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணா கூட அந்த குரு பரம்பராக்கு என்ன கொடுக்க முடியும்? நம்ம என்ன கொடுக்க முடியும் இந்த ஞானத்துக்கு? நானா கொடுக்கறதா? ஒண்ணுமே கொடுக்க முடியாது. இந்த புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு அதுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி ஞானத்தோட இருக்கிறது தான் பெரிய விஷயம் கொடுக்கறது. மற்றது எல்லாமே செகண்டரி, எல்லாம் வியாவகாரிக்கம். பூர்ணமத பூர்ணமிதம் பூர்ணாத் பூர்ணமுதச்யதே பூர்ணஸ்ய பூர்ணமாதாய பூர்ணமேவாவசிஷ்யதே. ஓம் சாந்தி சாந்தி சாந்தி. ஹரி ஓம். ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமः. ஹரி ஓம்.